Birds are going to absolutely love this one. Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today, this product sent to us in return for our honest review is this bird feeder camera with the bird bath on the other side. It has two cameras, one facing each direction. We got the bird feeder on this side, the bird bath on this side. It also has a solar panel to keep it charged so that we don't have to take the camera in and charge it every week like we did with some of the older ones. These new models are pretty cool. Really easy to fill. You're just going to flip open the top, pour your seed in the top, and it's going to come out on either side in the bottom. And today, just to be interesting, I'm going to fill one side with bird seed and one side with a mixed seed. So as you can see, I've filled this side with chicken scratch grains and I've filled this side with black oil sunflower seed. And now the birds can choose which they like more and they can eat that. I have now also filled up the bird bath with water. Hopefully we can get some birds to come here and bathe and catch it on camera. If not, I understand, because it is getting kind of late in the year. As you can see, our leaves are already changing colors here, and before long this will freeze. So in a couple weeks I'll probably pop the drain, which is in the bottom here, drain it out, and then we can let it be dry for the winter. Now, it didn't take very long before I had birds and squirrels on this thing, and I was catching clips and photos. And of course, the blue jays, who will come in and eat as much as they can. The app was pretty easy to navigate, allowing me to take photos and videos directly from the app, and to view videos that it took as the motion detector went off, catching a lot of the birds and squirrels. They also came with these cool jelly trays. I won't be using them this late in the year, but in the spring I'll put these out and throughout the summer, and that'll bring in the orioles and some other birds that like to eat the jelly. Hi, Allie. So we saw on the app that there was a squirrel on the feeder. And there is a squirrel on the feeder. I don't want to scare him. Well, without the notifications, I would have missed you. You can keep eating. You're fine.